On 1st February 2025, His Holiness embarks on a spiritual journey towards Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. That evening, after 36 years of spiritual growth, His Holiness reunites with one of his childhood guides in Kerala. Later that night, near his birthplace, His Holiness visits the sacred Mahavishnu temple, a place where he once experienced the divine presence of Lord Vaman, who, in his childhood, graced him as a celestial friend. Thousands of devotees were blessed to witness the arrival of His Holiness. On the morning of 2nd February 2025, His Holiness visits the ancient Mahadev temple, a revered site thousands of years old, where, as a teenager, he fervently prayed to be blessed with the essence of Lord Shiva. Holiness then shares his childhood experiences, explaining the significance of Ashtanagas, and introduces the ancient Uttupura of the temple. Later that morning, His Holiness visits the very Mahadev temple where, in his youth, he prayed for the divine grace to be blessed as Sri Shankaracharya. His Holiness also reveals the temple pond, where, alongside Holiness grandfather and Holiness bathed before seeking the sacred darshan of Lord Shiva. His Holiness graciously bestows his divine darshan at the residence of his devoted followers in Thiruvananthapuram. Surrounded by his Purvashrama family members and devotees, they come together to receive his divine guidance and blessings. During this meeting, one devoted follower of His Holiness expressed her heartfelt emotions and invited him into her home, to which Swami graciously agreed. That afternoon, His Holiness visits the Prapancheshwar Lord Shiva temple in Thiruvananthapuram, where hundreds of devoted followers eagerly awaited his arrival to receive his blessings. Upon witnessing the divine presence, the devotees were filled with immense joy and happiness, losing themselves in the sacred grace of His Holiness. His Holiness performs the sacred Bilva Archana to Lord Shiva, offering fresh Bilva leaves with deep reverence and devotion, symbolizing purity and spiritual awakening. As he conducts this auspicious ritual, the divine energy fills the atmosphere, and the devotees are immersed in a profound sense of devotion and grace. Then, His Holiness personally guides each devotee, bestowing his blessings and engaging in meaningful conversations about the temple's future development and growth. His Holiness began speaking about each devotee present there, leaving them in awe and amazement. They were shocked and stunned by how Swami knew so much about them, and they marveled at how it could even be possible for a human to possess such divine knowledge. Hundreds of devotees gathered to receive his blessings, deeply moved by his sacred presence. With much joy and emotion, they bid a heartfelt farewell to His Holiness. Later that evening, His Holiness visits a devotee's home, fulfilling his promise. The devotees there are completely immersed in His divine grace, lost in the sacred presence of His blessings. The devotee and their family shared their life stories, speaking about their children, their home, and their deep belief, love, and respect for the Guru Parampara and His Holiness. With great patience, His Holiness listened attentively and offered guidance, showering them with love and wisdom. On the morning of 3rd February, His Holiness arrived at the sacred Kali temple in Mangalapuram. Along with the temple rituals, the devotees warmly welcomed His Holiness, seeking His divine grace and blessings. Then, as His Holiness arrived at the temple site and gently placed His holy feet upon the land, both the land and its people were blessed with His divine presence. His Holiness reunited with many of his childhood friends and their families, recognizing them with deep affection and warmth. This heartfelt meeting was a truly emotional moment for hundreds of devotees who had gathered. Overcome with joy and reverence, each devotee received His Holiness' divine guidance and blessings, feeling a profound connection to the sacred presence of their beloved Swami. It was a moment of pure devotion, one that touched the hearts of all who were present. His Holiness then participated in the temple rituals, channeling divine energy into the temple premises, blessing the entire sacred space with His spiritual presence. His Holiness' family gave him a heartfelt send-off, filled with love and longing, eagerly awaiting the day they will be blessed to see him again.